friends, welcome back to Live Your Best Life with Cam. I'm so glad that you joined me today. So today in the hair and makeup series, I am going to just go through something very simple, something that we all should be doing, but sometimes we probably just forget, but this is very important. So we're going to talk about cleaning our hair and makeup tools. All right? So follow me as we do that. I am in the bathroom, as you can see, and I will be using this small container to hold my brushes upright. Here are my brushes, and I'm gonna use dish soap and vinegar to create a solution to clean the brushes. I will also use warm water and place all the different items in the soap and vinegar mix or solution. The brushes have been used for quite a while now and need cleaning. As you can see, they have a dark brown color from all the makeup and the products used. I'm going to place them face down inside the solution to prevent any discoloration to the hard surface of the brushes or any damage to the hard surface of the brushes. Now, why do I clean my brushes? Or as a matter of fact, why do you need to clean your brushes? You need to clean them to prevent breakouts on our face, as this is known as a cause for this. So I'm going to allow them to soak for about 30 minutes and then I can wash them. While waiting on the makeup brushes to soak, I will clean my hair tools. The toothbrushes seen here are my edge brushes, and these are in a bad state. They're not looking good at all. We will start off again with warm water for cleaning. We will add some shampoo and a mixture of vinegar. I'll place the items in to soak up all that needs to be gone. And after about 2 minutes, I started cleaning the hair tools, and look at all that gunk coming out. I am using the combs to help me in taking out the extra hair and the products that have been lodged in these brushes. I also use a cloth to help in cleaning the hard surface of the brushes to get rid of any discoloration from built-up products and added dirt from the built-up products. I then rinse them in clean water, after which I'll place them face down on a towel to absorb the excess water. And now, after cleaning each item, they are looking superb. This is it for the hair tools. They are looking squeaky clean. Now, back to the makeup brushes. These have been soaking for quite a while, so it is easy to get the makeup off them by rubbing them lightly in the palm of my hands or just with my fingers. And then after that, I'm going to place them to dry on the same towel that my hair tools are on. If you look closely, you will see that the brushes are no longer brown. And the last one to be washed is my beauty blender. And honey, this one needed a thorough wash. I had to place this one back in freshly mixed cleaning solution for added soaking and then cleaning some more. So here are the washed goodies, literally goodies. They are looking squeaky clean. Look at this makeup brush. See the difference? They are all done except for the beauty blender, which needs some additional soaking time. But I'm just waiting on this one. So that's it for now, friends. Thank you for watching. It's very important to keep our makeup brushes and our ear tools clean, and that's what I did today, and I'm feeling much better. You know, like when you take a bath? Yeah. Now my things are clean, so when I wash and comb my hair, I'm not using a dirty brush, and I'm not going to be using a dirty makeup brush to put on my face. Alright? So bye now, and don't forget to live your best life. Until then, see you in the next video.